Hello, this is Tariq. Today we are going to learn a new words in English. First, hand. How can we say in Urdu hands? There are two hands. Okay? So hath, hands, hath. He, alif, te, दो चश्मी है, हाथ, hand, हाथ, हाथ, हाथ. Second one, we also say same pronunciation in Urdu as same as in English. Heater, heater, heater. There is no Urdu for heater in Urdu. So there is a heater word also used in Urdu. Okay, heater. Okay. First one, look at the uniform. How can we say uniform in Urdu? Vardi, vardi, vardi. Wow, re, dal, choti ye. Vardi, vardi. Wow, re, dal, choti ye. Vardi. Second one, pages, pages. How can we say pages in Urdu? Work, 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 work. Wow, re, cough, work. Wow, re, cough, work. Before you go, please let me know, do you like this lesson? Do you enjoy this lesson? Okay, so how am I teaching? Please tell me in comments. Okay, please, before you go, please like and share this video. Take care, bye, and take care your family. अपना और अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखें. Take care you and your family. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.